Alright guys, welcome to your third HTML tutorial. Today we are going to be talking about tags. Yeah, tags. How many times I mentioned tags? Anyway, and at the end I will be telling you guys about comment. So before I start, I want to show you guys something. It's a PDF I made and I want to be using it for our lessons. But first I want to show you guys all you have to do is go to Tech Mindset and go to PDF section and apply for it. This is it here. Just apply for it, and I promise you guys it's free, all free. So if you apply, we'll work on this project. It's already in the HTML, it is in the PDF section. So now we'll be working on that and many more things, and you're going to learn more from this PDF, because I'm not going to be explaining everything, every tag and other things I'm going to be doing. So with this you can be working on your own without actually watching any video. Alright, let's get back to it. So today we're going to be editing customizing our text with HTML. Normally you do this with CSS, but I've not introduced you guys to CSS yet, so let's just learn how to customize our text with ordinary HTML first, then maybe later you can, even when you're good at CSS customization of your style sheet. With CSS, sometimes you just need to use one or two tags, your HTML tags, to customize the text. And without this knowledge, I promise you're going to find that difficult. So today I'm going to be talking about bolding and italicizing your text. So let's put something. Okay, let me open our page first. Now everything is empty except our title, which is here. Alright, now let's put something inside our body. Let's say header, then the body you're going to write. This is actually a joke. It's meant to be seen, please. Alright, so we're just going to use this text. Alright, so we're going to use this to customize. Let me save this and let's look at it in our browser. Refresh. Alright, this website is not meant to be seen. Wow, that was a very strong instruction. Alright, we're seeing it. Okay, today, now for you to customize the text, for example, let's say you want to make this website, this website here bold. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to surround it with a HTML tag known as strong tag. Alright, let's go. Let me put that strong. Yeah, strong. Now you want to close this tag. The tag are opening and closing tag. Yeah, okay. See that? Yeah. Now this website here is going to be in bold when we refresh our page. Now what do we italicize? Let me use this opportunity to introduce another tag. Actually, it's called line break. So that means, let me cut this and put it Control X, Control V. Yeah, where is it? Okay, now line break is actually, just as the name implies, it breaks a line. Bring this text, it's going to bring this. If you apply it here, if you apply line break here to bring this text down when you view it in your web page. So let's apply the line break. It's actually like this. The line break tag is actually one tag. It has no closing tag. I open it. I just apply the tag br space close. Now when you view, this is going to bring this down. Alright, away from that, let's italicize something. Let's italicize the whole stuff here. So to italicize, you put em as the tag. Let's see, bam, and close your italics tag, em, boom. Now we have this. Let's save and let's refresh and see. Refresh. Now can you see, guys? This is awesome, man. This website is lame, but at least look at it. Website is bold. Now everything here, as you see, actually it was in a single line before. Everything here is in a single line, but because of this line break here, that text is now broken down to this place, and because of our italics, this in tag, you can see it's in italics. You can see, right? Alright, now guys, I want to tell you guys something about comments. Now comments is a way of, for example, you want, as you started this project like this, and you want to, you know, write a date, but you don't want to show here on your web page. Just want it as a reference, you know, the day you started, or you want to even section your work, you know. So how do you do that without it showing your web page? Normally you should write today's date is 2nd May 2020, and you save. Now you're going to refresh this, and boom, it shows here. Now how do you hide this from your web page? Oh yeah, how do you hide it? Now what you're going to do is you surround the text with a comment, and it's like this: less than sign, exclamation mark, dash dash. Comment is on. Everything here is going to be in comments, so you have to close your comments. And closed. Now let's save this and refresh. See, now that is the way to put the comments in your web page. Alright guys, that's it. See you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.